Hi, how are you? Here I'm just gonna to show you how you can update Nama electricity bills details. So just go to Google Nama services, go here and select individual government corporate. You have to select it. Okay, after selecting this, just I'm showing you what this website has, but you have to select individuals, government, corporate. Just select this column. After this, what you have to do, just select this and next page will come in front of you. So you just select your area, where are you residing, like Muscat. It will be in Muscat. If you are in Nizwa, just like Nizwa, Sohar, whatever, wherever you are living. So after selecting Muscat, next page it will open. So just scroll down and select customer data update. You have to select customer data update. Here a lot of other options are available, but we have to select what we need. So after selecting customer data update, here is written what documents required: ID card, copy of property, copy area map, copy latest bill, copy of tenancy agreement. But here you need only two things: ID card front and back side, and tenancy agreement approved municipality. Then you will go to new owner tenant occupation. Here just type individual, because it is on your personal name, so you have to select individual. Then tenant, of course you are the tenant, and your name, civil ID number, resident card number, tenancy contract number. If you are having contract, there is written tenancy contract number, just put it here. Start date, end date, this detail you will take from your tenancy agreement. Mobile number, okay, which areas are marked red, you have to fill only that. Email, nationality, and electricity account number, region, area, same area it is written on your electricity bill. If you have your previous electricity bill, you can take all details from there. Way number, building number, flat number, no need to put, but if you want to put, you can take details from your old previous electricity bill. After that, just attach ID front, ID backside, and municipality approved rent agreement. Hopefully you understand well, and now you can do it by yourself. So I agree terms condition and submit. Okay, so which mobile number you used, you will get same time one notification that your information has been received, and soon we will let you know. So after 2-3 days you will get again message that your data has been updated and your tariff will be revised. So I hopefully you will like it. And if your contract is old, I mean it is from 22 December to 23 December, between this time if they charge more, they will reimburse, and your tariff will be revised 0.02 to 0.014. I just updated, and my tariff, I got my this November month bill, and I am amazed. It is now 0.02 to 2.014. So hopefully it will work for you. If anything, you can comment. Thank you.